Hi, boys and girls. Today we're talking about the pattern core. We've talked about this before in school, but I just want to give you a refresher. The core is the smallest part of a pattern that repeats. So here I have a pattern of red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. This is an AB pattern. And the core, being the smallest part that repeats, is going to be red, blue. Because if I pick up the red, blue, I can go stamp, stamp, stamp. Okay? So we're talking about pattern core. For today's assignment, I'm just going to move that over here. You're supposed to make a pattern with 3 elements, and then you are supposed to find the core. So a pattern with 3 elements in the core could look like an ABC, ABB, or AAB pattern. So you need to pick one of these. I think for myself, I will pick the AAB pattern today, which means I need 2 different elements, but it still has 3 elements in the core. So here I go. Maybe today I'll put those aside. I found some batteries and some pom-poms. Find whatever you have at home to make a pattern. It doesn't matter. The pom-poms are not the same color. Doesn't matter as long as they're all pom-poms, okay? So my pattern is going to be AAB, and I might need some more of these batteries. Okay, so we're going to go actually I'll start with my pom-poms. A, B, A, B, and I'm going to get one more on here. A, B. Okay, that's my pattern. Hopefully you can see it all. I'll move it over just a little bit. Okay, so AAB, AAB, AAB. The A's are all the same and the B's are the same. Okay, so when you're going to do this assignment, you can take a picture of this, and if you want to, on a piece of paper beside it, say, okay, this part is my core. Then I can tell which is the part that's the core. So maybe write down what pattern you chose. I chose A, B, and that is my core. The way I know it's my core is if I picked it up and I stamped it, I would go, I'll see if I can do this without my arms in the way. So here's my core, and it's going to repeat. Repeat, repeat. Okay? All right, so for the core assignment, find anything around your house. Choose whether you want to make an ABC, an ABB, or an AAB pattern. Make it somewhere, and then you can either send me a short video showing me the core, or you can show me on a piece of paper what your core is, like this. Okay, happy finding things to make patterns with, and I can't wait to see your pictures.